Dialog Focus is an editing tool within Scrivener 3 for Windows that allows you to isolate just the dialogue in your novel. How well this function works will depend on what symbols you use to indicate dialogue, but let's look at the principle first. Dialog Focus is found under Edit, Writing Tools. The pop-up window is automatically set to None and has a fade level bar. Click on Direct Speech, and items that are not marked as speech will fade out into the background. The default is set to the default for the app, which is English, so that's double and single quotation marks. But what about if you use guillemets or dashes or something else? Well, some customization is possible by going to File, Options, and Corrections, and the punctuation section. You'll see an item that says Use Smart Quotes with 2 pull-down lists. These lists are what determine the dialog focus. You can see there are a number of options which does include guillemets, but doesn't include dashes. I guess these are too often used elsewhere for this to be effective. The secondary list has some other options you can also select. If you do use dashes for this, it might be an idea to use some other symbol that is in the lists when writing, and then do a find and replace at the end if you want to be able to use this function. If I apply guillemets and go back to Dialog Focus though, nothing happens any differently. Why? Well, even though you don't get a message saying to close and open the project, I've found that it's necessary to do that. And then it works. As you'll probably only need to do this once, it's not too much trouble. Next time we'll be talking about ungrouping and grouping.